Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download or install the Chromium browser in Windows 11. First, you need to search for Chromium browser in any of the browsers. After that, you need to go to this page where you can see the download Chromium option. Click on that, scroll down a bit, and you can see this option of download Chromium appspot.com. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to this page. Click on this download Chromium option. After clicking on it, it will download this file. After the file is downloaded, you have to go to the position where it is located, and then you need to double click on it. You will see this folder in here. Click on that, and you can see this option of Chrome, but you have to go to this option where it is Chrome and application. Double click on it. So they will ask you to extract all the file. Click on extract file and then click on extract, and it will extract the files and download. After that, open the extracted file and then go to this Chrome option of application. Double click on that. Then you will see this window. You have to click on run anyway option, and then it will be installed. As you can see, we have opened the Chromium browser now. Yeah, so if you want, you can create a shortcut on the desktop also. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.